Hey guys, this week I'm going to film a week in my life at college. It's definitely a very busy week, so I thought it'd be a good one, and at the same time I feel like I don't have a lot of schoolwork, so I can kind of show you guys what I also do to balance everything. Today's Monday, and this morning I had a class, early class. I just decided to do it online because I was really tired and I didn't get out of bed in time, but I still got dressed in an outfit. Also, I'm going to drop off a few packages. I'm sending a sweatshirt to my sister and send in my mailing ballot, but after I come back from that, I'll probably study a little bit more, take some notes for my bio class, and then make my lunch. I'm so excited. My roommate, Sweetman, and I went to Target and we got pots and pans, and I got a few eggs and spinach, so I'm gonna make myself an omelet, and I'm just very excited that I can use the kitchen. And then tonight I have some fun plans, hang out with friends, probably my big from my sorority and my twin, so I'll show you guys that as well. Lunch is finally finished. I made an omelet. I have some multigrain pita crackers, carrots, and hummus. Yum. Anyone's curious what my order is. Okay, so I was studying at Colloquium, which is the best lunch place here, with my friend Kat, but the Wi-Fi there was literally terrible, and I have to watch videos for my chem lab, so I was just a little bit unmotivated. So I came back to my dorm, and I'm just going to watch them here and then do my chem class online here. And then tonight, I'm so excited. Katrina and I are going to a cycle class at the gym here, and then we were painting records with our sorority, which is going to be so fun. Also, I don't think I ever did an outfit of the day. This morning, it was literally so hard for me to pick out an outfit. I don't know why, but I changed like 5 times. I was so indecisive, but this is what I ended up with. This shirt is thrifted. It's just a Henley, and then these pants from Urban, and then just has always my Nike shoes. But yeah, it's a little bit hot out today. It's really weird. Going to school somewhere so warm because I'm used to it being cold now, and I was telling my friends that it feels like time just hasn't passed because I've been here for 2 months now, but it still feels like it's August, how like August would feel back in Naperville. So it just feels like time hasn't passed. So I think that's why the semester is going by so quickly. But I mean, I'm not complaining. I like the warm weather, but I also like being able to wear like comfy sweatshirts and shirts without getting too hot. Yay, my favorite study room is open. View's so pretty. We just finished our cycle class. Our faces are really red. And now we're going to the sorority house to paint records. It's Wednesday. It's about 10 a.m. and I just got back from my first class and I have 2 more this afternoon. And then my roommate and suite mate and I are going to be making pasta in our dorm for dinner. I'm so excited. A little bit sleepy today. We ended up finishing painting the records at the sorority house. I didn't vlog it that much. And then we watched The Bachelorette because they have a giant TV in there, which was really fun. And yeah, on to studying, taking notes. Okay, a quick outfit of the day. So I just have my normal jewelry. This is just a thrifted quarter zip sweatshirt and I'm wearing it with a white tennis skirt from Athleta and then just my Adidas Falcon with Nike socks. But yep. Chefing it up in the honors dorm. We love it. So good.
Oh yeah, you guys take a picture of once Riley comes back of everyone crowding around it.
Yum. Guys, good morning. Today's Thursday. It's about 10:30. I just had my first class online, but I ended up going back to bed after it. But now I'm up. I'm gonna go grab a coffee, get a little bit of work done, and then I have a biolab and a chem class later today, but everything's virtual. So I'm going over to my friend's dorm and we're just gonna kind of grind it all out. And then tonight I should have some fun plans, but yeah, excited for the day. Okay, so quick outfit of the day. This is a blue tank top from Athleta. Then I'm just wearing my gray Aritzia sweatpants, Nike socks, and shoes. But, yep. Hey guys, good morning. It's about 11 a.m. I just woke up kind of late, made my breakfast, coffee, and then now I'm gonna go study at the business school, and then I have a class this afternoon, thankfully only one. But yeah, today's been pretty chill. Yesterday was too. Honestly, a lot of the schoolwork I'm doing right now is just getting ahead. Most of it's not due for a few weeks, but it's like bigger projects. But yeah, tonight I'll probably do some stuff with friends, and last night also I forgot to vlog, but I went out to dinner with some of my friends, and then I went to a cycle class. I just do them at my gym that's like provided for everyone. It's called Strom here, and it's only like $20 for the entire semester, like just a one-time $20 deposit, which is insane to me, and they're actually really good. They remind me a lot of what I do back at home, so that's definitely been nice to have a routine and just doing consistent classes. And then I normally do an ab workout. I try to do one every day because that's what I did during quarantine, and I really liked how that felt. But yeah, today's kind of just a more relaxed day. Here's from Urban, shorts from Princess Polly, and then just my normal Adidas Falcon. Let's put it on. Oh, it looks so good. Yummy. It's so freaking good. Hello everyone, it's game day! Wait, I don't know if they saw that. Okay, wait, we have to put this where the lighting will be.
Ooh, the lighting is kind of working out for us.
Okay, so yeah, these are the game day outfits. It's currently 10 a.m. We are starting early because that's what people do here.
The noon kickoff.
Also, I tried to go to the gym this morning and it was closed, so that was fun. But yeah, we both did our workouts this morning. We woke up super early.
Had our breakfast, had our coffee.
Yeah. Show your outfits.
Here's it.
Cute.
Your ice on mine.
So cute. Aww. Video. Yum, yum, yum. Katrina got Cobb salad. Yay.